Hi, welcome to Data Science. I'm Vivin Arana, and today we are going to look at the large data structure sets. So, what are sets? Sets are unordered items, not like lists. They are similar to, you can call them similar to dictionaries. So, they don't have indexes, but they don't have keys too. They're unordered, unindexed collection of unique items. And when I say unique, that means there can't be any repetition. So one item can come inside a particular set only once. So it might be helpful if you want to remove the duplicates from a list, you can assign it to a set and you can see what items are there. So let's go and look at sets. So I'm going to create a new Python Jupyter notebook. I'm going to say set is, let's give some items to it, 1, 2, 5, can say some strings, awesome, can give some complex variables of items, data types I can give more, 3.44, 2, 5, 3.44. So if you see here, I'm trying to create a set with some duplicate values. What happens when I do this? Let's look at the output. So you see I have a complex, I have 1, 2, 3, 3.44, 5, awesome, but it removed the duplicate, so it didn't accept the duplicate values inside this. And if you see the order, it's unordered. It didn't go in the order that I added. It just adds however it feels like it. You can add more items to it. I can say add 4 and then look at it. 4 is added. It will add it wherever it feels like. It doesn't have to be in particular order. It will not add duplicates though. If I say add 4 again, and if you see the output, it doesn't have 2 4s, it has only 1 4 because I've added 4 before. If I want to let's say update a particular, so I can just say update, say 0, 3.2. so what does this do? If you look at it, it added 3.2 and 0 to the particular to our particular set. So that's how sets you can add more items to it. You can remove 2. You can just say remove. I can say remove 0. Now if you look at the output, it removed S. So you can remove, you can update, you can add items to it. Now next thing that you can do with sets is, let's create 2 sets, separate sets, 1 equal to 1, 2 and 3, and set 2 equal to A, B and C. So I have 2 different sets, set 1 and set 2. I want to do a union of set 1 and set 2. What does union function do? When I pass set 1 with set 2 and say union, it will add both the sets together and create a union of both of them. I can do also intersection, set 1 dot intersection of set 2. Now if you look at 1 and 2, what is common in between both of them? There's nothing. 1 has 1 2 3, 2 has ABC. So there's intersection doesn't work fine with things that you have are unique anyways. So I'm going to say 2 3 4 and 5. I'm going to create another set, and now I'm going to copy this intersection code and pass it 3. Now if you look at this, it will say in between 1 and 3, 2 and 3 are common. So it gave me numbers set with just values 2 and 3. So that's how sets work. It's unique numbers inside an unordered, unindexed collection of items.